In the jewelry business, staying ahead requires real-time insights into sales and profitability. Power BI helps businesses analyze trends, track margins, identify high-performing products, enabling smarter decisions and better inventory management. Let's explore the Sales Insights dashboard. At the top, we have key performance indicators showcasing the average cost price, sales price, and margin, giving a quick snapshot of overall profitability. Below, the dashboard is segmented into 3 primary categories: channel, product type, and style, allowing jewelry retail businesses to analyze sales from multiple perspectives. The Performance by Style chart highlights revenue generated from different jewelry styles, helping businesses understand which designs resonate most with customers. Similarly, the Performance by Month/Quarter graph provides a trend analysis, enabling businesses to identify seasonal sales patterns and optimize stock levels accordingly. On the right side, we have detailed margin analysis broken down by channel, style, and metal type. This helps businesses identify the most profitable segments and adjust pricing strategies for maximum returns. The built-in filters for metal, channel, and product type offer a dynamic way to refine insights and focus on specific areas of interest. Power BI empowers jewelry retailers and wholesalers with real-time analytics. Its interactive visuals make exploring data effortless, providing deeper insights with just a few clicks. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your data into actionable insights. Your learning journey doesn't have to end here. Subscribe now and explore more.